Okay, in this example, we are going to look at the equations that are actually going to be multiples of each other, and we'll see what happens in that case, okay? So we are still working with the method of elimination, and let me write down the equations. So we got 9x minus 9y equals 54, and then we have x minus y equals 6. Now we are asking what number do we need to multiply the second equation by to get rid of x? Well, over here you see a 9, right? So what number would be opposite of 9? Well, that would be negative 9. So we're going to multiply the second equation by negative 9. And when we do that, we have to distribute that negative 9 to all the terms. So the second equation, so let me rewrite the first equation, and then we're going to, again, have it side by side. And we're going to get negative 9x plus 9y equals negative 54. And then what happens is when we start adding them up, look at what happens. Negative 9x will cancel with positive 9x, right? Negative 9y will also cancel with positive 9y. But on the other side, we got 54 and negative 54, and that's going to cancel. It's like everything is canceled. What is going on here? So on the left-hand side, you get a 0. And on the right-hand side here, you also have a 0. Now, when you have an equation like 0 equals 0, what does that tell you? Well, it tells you absolutely nothing. It's like, thanks for nothing, okay? 0 equals 0, I know that. What that means is that the second equation was really a multiple. It is really a multiple of the first one. If you were to draw, and each equation, remember it's a line, the lines will coincide. They're going to be exactly the same. So what happens here is you're going to have a line, and on top of it, there is going to be another line that's exactly the same. Okay, and every point on the line is going to be a solution because it's going to belong to one of the lines and the other one because they're the same. So in this case, we're going to have infinitely many solutions because every single point on that one line really is going to be a solution. All right, so we're going to say right here that we are multiplying by negative 9 because we want them to be opposites. And we're going to get, if we multiply by negative 9, the following equation. When we add this equation to the first one, we saw that we got 0 equals 0. So when you see that for two equations and two variable system, that tells you that this is you're not gonna be able to solve it for x or for y. It's impossible. And both of these equations really represent just one, and every single point is going to be a solution. So this is infinite number of solutions.